Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me Ramadan Iksan, a student of Automotive Engineering at the State University of Yogyakarta. In this briefing, I will explain to the existing transmission in a car. Transmission on a car. What is transmission? Transmission is one of the power transfer system from the engine to the differential. Then the axle which causes the wheel to rotate and move a vehicle. Where is the transmission located? Basically, the transmission is useful for connecting rotation from the clutch to the propeller shaft, from engine to drive, or from the clutch to the differential, or from engine front drive or rear engine to drive. But the transmission function is not only as to continue the rotation from the clutch to the propeller shaft or just differential. What are the transmission components? Here are some components of transmission. 1 is input shaft. 2 is counter gear shaft. 3 output shaft. 4 speed gear and unit synchron mesh. 5 bearing. 6 is pilot bearing. 7 is speedometer gear. 8 is reverse idle gear. Next, what is the transmission function? The first transmission function is to regulate the speed of the vehicle and the movement or power of the vehicle by assessing the transmission. The speed and movement of the vehicle can change according to road conditions by adjusting the ratio of the gear in the transmission. Next, the second transmission function is to enable the vehicle to be able to work backward on vehicle. The vehicle can go backward because the transmission output rotation is changed in the opposite direction to the transmission input rotation. Changing the direction of rotation of the transmission output and releasing or adding idle gear so that the output rotation can be in the opposite direction to the input rotation. The last transmission function is to allow the vehicle to be in a neutral position. The purpose of this neutral position is when the engine running but the vehicle is not running because of the neutral transmission position. With this neutral position, the rotation of the transmission input will not be forward to the transmission output shaft, so that even though the rotating transmission input will not affect or rotate the output shaft, or the input shaft and the output shaft are not directly related or not pairs. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.